Today we are going to. This is the military station master because I am the army. So we are carrying all the boxes. Can you tell what inside the car box? Inside we have military tanks and some supply, weapons, fuel, oil, some etc. Let's get started. So this military name is called Indian Army. This is the master train railway station. It is located to Kashmir. For this time we are going to New Delhi, but this won't take long. Oh sorry, not Kashmir. We are at the New Delhi military base. We are going to New Delhi railway station. New Delhi to Chennai Central. Let's find out. Before you do, like the video and subscribe. So let's get started. So, why everyone is not in the game? Because I'm private server. I'm only here, and my friend is private server either. But I'm playing with my own private server because my friend is not here. Because he didn't play yet. There's only few videos yet. Whoa, it's getting start to glitching or something. I have to go slow because the army commander said, because I work for Indian army. This is called very icily. If I go fast, I will become deadly here. A little bit. Is the station here? There's a course. I think it's that this. I think these track glitches are coming to me. But this is my server because my server is better because my friend's servers are track glitching. But what if I have a problem about this track? Looks different to me. Whoa, we are going to New Delhi platform number 3. Hold on a second. Why there are many dancers here? I think also learn passengers like soldiers. Just stop it around. Almost there. Come on. This train made for army, cargo, even etc. constructors. And we finally stopped it. So the blue train takes the coal and the green train takes the cargo or military. But this takes the green train will take the military, except me. To the train we start, the soldiers are here. Let's wait until the soldiers come. I think they're adding some more supplies in the car box. 2. Anyway, let's go. Excuse me. Speaking of CHENNAI Central, whoa, who's that one? These army tanks and other supplies were too heavy and cannot go. So I go the speed of 100. But I'll go speed of 19 or 18. Yes, 86. These buildings look beautiful, and there was a water tank. Friends, later we're going to make a new video about water tanks. So please like and comment. And make sure to subscribe the video or we can make a new one. I think this train is training full side is because for army? What? So seriously, why does the smoke here? Oh, I forgot this is a diesel. Why the trees are in the grass? It's leaking too. I think this game is my favorite. But why they glitching like my friend? Oh, my best friend is old. Here, I have my 800. We're going slow. Where are the trains? To see? Activate and have play the mode. Oh no, the train gonna crash to the hacking glitch. Is this gonna be crash? Oh, it actually skipped, but I need to go slower than the electric train. But it's pretty far away, so I just go the speed. Oh, they stole the track for load. This is gonna be talk a long time. Right? Can anyone answer me? This documentary is called Margie. This is his name Army Train. Train number 46412. Yeah, we didn't say either. Guys, look at the building so. But this building looks unfamiliar. Wait. This train only one track? For skipping the station? What the? Let's stop it. Let's go slowly. Oh no! Red is yellow signal. That means gravity. Go slow before I get. Close one. I thought I must be died. Crash into hell. Oh, sorry, that's my little brother. Can you change track into perfectly normal? Oh no! Please don't tell this is. And they always know this hacking glitch. Please! Wow! Close one, we made it! If you go fast, then we crash. It's a super close one, and my little brother is saying something. Did the train go faster? Perfect! But I don't know why this red, just the color is red. Cobalt, but it should decide like army than I thought. Oh, the commander said to go. Sorry, I don't understand what commander said, so. Hold on a second, why don't the coconut tree like palm tree? Maybe human manifestation has babies in palm tree? The farm? Oh yeah, the house. Hold on a second, I see Grayson. Is this Grandster River? Yes, it's river with water. Why it look like a grass? Everyone is working at the farm, but the buildings are still here, far away in the dark. Wait, I see something over there. That must be what Commander said. But still before it's too late. Please stop quickly. Oh no, I'm stupid. So let's see what armies are there. Oh, the armies jeeps are heading to me. What the soldiers doing? Taking tanks? Yes, they want to take the army tank from my car box. Let me take it beautifully. Seriously? The soldiers just come to 5:15? Busy work? Then am I gonna late? Oh, it's okay. We have more time to this because Commander said to be. Okay, let's go. The army tanks are going to, and we have surprise. So we have to take to the soldiers. Bye. Why the crab glitchings are here? Just like my friend. This is close one. I must be die for a year. Did the train go slow like decent? Why are there many trees without building anything? Oh, I forgot this just a game, but the moon is already here. It's night. So I had to switch off night light, but the light is all in the back. But I don't know why you add it. Are you with it? Oh, we have it more tracks to travel like slow snail. Come on, drive mice. How many speed? Oh yeah, just 75. Wait, is this power plant practice? That's serious. Wait, you see this video? A green train with a red car box to save power plant? To fix the power plant? That was the video that I made it. And the soldiers are here for. Wait a second. It says construction. Please go slow. Seriously, this took long hours and take a supply. Stop the train and put in my. The yogurt are taking weapons, oils, and some of the etc. Wait, who they add the missile launcher here? I didn't ask. Okay, almost there. Will the mission be completed? I wonder why. The commander said that we complete the mission. Wait, did we complete the mission? Yay! The sources are all gone. Let's go. I wonder why they have to go in the grass. wood-boy power plant. The power plant can help to electricity them. For ticket web that belong to power plant? Why? And what's the reason for? We need to go through of construction, but the construction of that side. I can go speed up. This took long time. Let's go to home. Friends, I think this program took a long time, like super time. Sorry in the video, because you're watching, sorry takes it, because super long time. Yes, you're right. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and comment state your review. Bye!